Okay, this is marble countertops that look like granite. These are 12 by 12 tiles stacked 2 deep. This is called a tile band for countertops. It is a piece of wood trim, and this is a 4 by 4 tumbled travertine backsplash. I got these tiles on sale for about $1.50 a piece, so my countertop was very cheap. Very beautiful, a lot of character. It's actually fossils in the tile, so it's a pretty good conversation piece as well. You don't get that as much with granite as you do with marble. And with this type of countertop, you do have to have the rim mount sink where it sits on top of the tile, and with the tall faucet. So that is the countertop, and we went with the black on the molding because we did black appliances, all except for the refrigerator. So there are the countertops made of tile.